Hi, I'm Charlie LaRosa, a member of the value team here at GAMCO, and here's our take on the markets for November 2022. U.S. equities were higher in November, with stocks rallying on the last day of the month to help achieve back-to-back monthly gains for the first time since August 2021. While the Fed remained the key focus throughout the month, U.S. midterm election results and protests in China also captured numerous headlines. As we approach year end, investors are cautiously optimistic that equities can march higher from improving economic data and robust consumer spending. On November 2nd, the FOMC meeting announced another 75 basis point rate hike, which was largely anticipated by the market. Fed Chair Jerome Powell said that the central bank has more work to do before rolling back its restrictive monetary policy campaign. On November 30th, Powell gave a speech at Brookings Institution in Washington, D.C., where he reiterated his comments from earlier in the month and laid the groundwork for the central bank to slow its pace of rate hikes. Investors are hopeful that improving inflation data helps support the Fed's decision to potentially slow its hiking pace in December, ahead of reaching a terminal rate between 4.75 to 5.25% by early next year. The 2022 U.S. midterm elections concluded with Republicans winning back control of the House of Representatives, while Democrats were able to retain control of the Senate for at least the next 2 years. While the rest of the world has mostly removed mobility restrictions associated with COVID-19, China's population is still being forced into harsh lockdowns ranging from individual stores to entire counties, often over a small number of positive cases. The Chinese government's stringent zero-COVID policy has greatly frustrated many of its people, and as a result has sparked a wave of protest. Investors are hopeful that China's economy will open back up soon, providing both a source of demand and supply for the world again. As value-oriented stock pickers, we believe now is our time to shine. We continue to seek franchise businesses with barriers to entry, pricing power, recurring revenue, and large free cash flow generation that are trading below private market value. The environment is still ripe for value surfacing catalysts. While M&A activity is down versus 2021, it is still robust compared to most historical years. And financial engineering continues to be utilized by many companies. We believe our portfolio of holdings is well positioned to thrive in this environment, and their value will be recognized by the market in due time. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for all Gabelli TV updates. And for more information, visit us online at www.gabelli.com.
Investors should carefully consider the investment objectives, risk, charges, and expenses of the fund before investing. The prospectus, which contains more complete information about this and other matters, should be read carefully before investing. To obtain a prospectus, please call 1-800-GABELLI or visit www.gabelli.com.